Hello friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about how to clean your disk automatically using the Windows Task Scheduler. Now question is why we should do it. The purpose of disk cleanup utility in Windows operating system is to search for all unnecessary files which is not being used currently and then to delete all these files so that you get the two benefits. First, it removes all the unnecessary files so you get the free space, and second, the overall efficiency of the computer system improves. So due to these reasons, it is suggested that time to time you should go for the disk cleanup. Usually you need to perform this task manually, but if you want that this task should be done automatically on regular basis at a time which you decide, then this is possible with the Windows Task Scheduler. So in this video, I'm going to cover how to clean your disk automatically on a regular interval using the Windows Task Scheduler. If you have not watched our last video, what is Windows Task Scheduler and how to segment disk automatically, you can see this video and you can know more about the Windows Task Scheduler. Hello friends, welcome to Tara Tutorials. If you are new to our channel, I request you to please subscribe our channel and to like and share our videos.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
On the desktop, right click on the My Computer or this PC icon and click on the Manage button. Here you can see an option on the left hand called Task Scheduler. Double click on it. Then you can click on the Task Scheduler library. Here you can see all the tasks which has been assigned by the Windows operating system to it that happens regularly as designed by the OS. Now, to create the basic task by user, you can click on this button, Create Basic Task. So click on this button. It will take a little time depending upon the speed of your computer system. So just be patient and wait for the next screen. Now you have to follow the screen here. So you have to write the name of the action. So I will write the name disk cleanup. Description option you can leave it blank. Go to the next. Now it is asking that when do you want this task to start? On daily basis, weekly basis. So the disk cleanup utility is to be performed usually on the weekly basis or on the monthly basis. So you can choose weekly here. Click on the next button. Now here you have to choose the time, okay, and date, from which date you want to start. So it is taking the current date here, okay, and then here you need to choose the days of the week. So for my case, I opted for Tuesday. Fine. So now every Tuesday at 12:10 p.m. this task will be performed, provided at this time your computer should be on. So usually choose a time, appropriate time, when usually you are logging into your computer system, when you are there with your computer. Okay, if your computer is already in a shutdown state, then this task can't be performed. Okay, now click on the next button. So I want to start a program, so don't change the review button here. Click on the next button. Now here you have to choose the program by browsing to the hard disk. Okay, So here you can see already it is inside the Windows and System32. You need to search for a file called clean manager, CLE. So here you can see a file called cleanmgr.exe. This is the required file. This is a file which is responsible for cleaning your hard disk. Select this file, click on the open button, and then click on the next button. And then once you can review everything, that it will be, this task will be triggered on so and so time, then this action will be performed, and the name of the task is disk cleanup, and click on the finish button. So you will see here that in the task library your customized task will get added automatically. So when I type, when I type disk cleanup, this task is added in the task scheduler library. So automatically now you need not to worry, you need not to do anything. At a particular given amount of time which you decided, automatically your hard disk will be cleaned and your system will be faster. This is how the task scheduler works and how you can clean your disk automatically. I'm sure you have enjoyed watching this video and learned something new with perfection. Please subscribe our channel and do share this video with your friends and like this video. Thanks for watching.
Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.